Optikos is a global leader in optical metrology and imaging solutions, serving industries from life science and semiconductor manufacturing to aerospace and defense. I'm joined by Eric McKinnis, Key Account Manager at Optikos, to discuss the company's latest Collimator technology and how it's advancing precision optical manufacturing. How are you doing, Eric?
I'm doing well.
Optikos has been generating a lot of interest recently with the launch of its enhanced Collimator, particularly its new capabilities for rifle scope manufacturing. Can you tell us what makes this development significant and how these new features improve the manufacturing and testing of modern rifle scopes?
So the Collimator is a device that will measure parallax for rifle scopes. It's very innovative in that most of the rifle scope manufacturers use subjective measurements right now for measuring parallax. We have more of a quantitative way to measure parallax with the rifle scopes. So it takes the human element out of testing, and it should reduce the testing time for rifle scope manufacturers.
And for those unfamiliar with the technology, what is the Collimator for rifle scope designed to achieve? And can you explain how it works and the key advantages it offers to rifle scope manufacturers?
So the Collimator is designed to test the parallax of the optic. Most rifle scope manufacturers say that their optics are tested at a certain distance. We can actually tell you if that's true or not using the Collimator. For rifle scope applications, you want to know for sure if you're seeing that target and if the parallax is there or not there, which affects your point of aim, point of impact, and a number of other issues that precision rifle hunters and precision rifle shooters have.
So what impact do you think this technology will have on the rifle scope manufacturing industry? How is it changing the way manufacturers approach precision and quality control?
It's changing the way the rifle scope manufacturers test, and it gives them confidence whenever they put the product in the consumer's hand that they're not going to have defects, they're not going to have returns. From one particular rifle scope manufacturer, we received a great review from them, and that it's really impacted how they test their systems and the confidence that they have whenever they have customers calling, asking about their systems.
And is the Collimator for rifle scopes already on the market?
Yes, it is. It's available for purchase. We do have some customers that have been interested in them. We have two different options. We have the 350 millimeter option. So for larger optics, we can do up to 350 millimeters. We have another version that is for 50 millimeter objectives. And that's more geared towards the rifle scope manufacturers here in the US.
And what is it that people should be looking out for with the new Collimator for rifle scope?
They should be looking for this to be used by the rifle scope manufacturers and for the industry to be able to provide definitive data for the rifle scope users, whether that's the military, whether that's precision rifle shooters, whether that's your average hunter. One thing that we hope to roll out in the near future is a testing service for the average shooter to be able to send in their rifle scope to us at Optikos, and then we'll test their scopes for them and provide them with results. So the rifle scope users will have the confidence that their system is on and that they shouldn't have any problems whenever they go to the range or go to field.
Eric, thanks for joining us. It's clear that as rifle scope performance demands continue to rise, technologies like the Optikos Collimator are helping manufacturers achieve new levels of precision, consistency, and production efficiency. To learn more about the Collimator and Optikos' latest optical metrology solutions, visit the website at optikos.com. Thanks again.
Thank you, Rob. It's been a joy.